Did you know that the last decade was the hottest the Earth has ever experienced in the last 125,000 years? Hello, everyone. I'm Swaraj, and today's topic is awareness on climate change. Climate change is not just an issue for the future, it's a huge problem that is present in today's age and time, affecting millions of people, billions of people across the world. We can see it all throughout, such as in the rising temperatures, the varying weather patterns, and even the huge amounts of carbon dioxide that are emitted every single day. The devastating wildfires and the floods, droughts, storms, this is all because of climate change. It's not just an environmental issue anymore, it's more than that. It's focusing on our economy, our food supply, and even our way of life. It's affecting all of that. But what exactly is causing this? The answer is pretty simple: human activity. For decades, we have burned fossil fuels like coal, oil, and even gas, releasing massive amounts of carbon dioxide into the atmosphere. Deforestation has stripped all of our natural air purifiers, and pollution from industries and plastic waste are affecting all our resources in today's age and times. We often hear that climate change is an issue that problem solving should occur within governments or even big corporations. But we know that the truth is much more than that, and if every individual matters. The choices we make every day matter. By reducing water, for example, and conserving energy, switching to sustainable inventions and innovations, we can support a healthier planet that is accessible and sustainable for everyone. Supporting eco friendly businesses and advocating for better environmental laws. All of these are really simple actions that will make a huge difference in the future that we live 30 or even 20 years from now. Even using public transport, saying no to plastic, planting trees, and spreading awareness can really lead to a massive difference. However, individual efforts are not enough to just pursue this issue on its own. We have to do much stronger than that. We have to advocate for stronger climate policies, and we also have to really access the better environmental laws that will change our world forever. So, in conclusion, it is very important for us to raise our voices, to educate ourselves and others, and to push for real action before it is too late. Thank you.